we are starting inside your Canva dashboard with your presentation project already open on your screen. Look at your current slide and drag your video file directly from your computer or the Uploads tab straight onto the canvas. Use the corner handles to resize and position the video so it fits your specific layout perfectly. Now, look up at the top editor toolbar that appears when your video is selected and click on the option that says Edit. Here, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the playback section. Inside this section, you will see a couple of different toggle switches. Go ahead and click to enable the switch that says Play automatically. Right next to it, you should also toggle on the switch that says Play on repeat. The important thing is to understand the trade-off with these settings. By forcing the video to autoplay and loop continuously, your audience will immediately see the action without you needing to manually click a play button during your speech. However, the catch is that you lose precise control over the exact second the video begins, meaning you cannot pause on the initial frame to introduce the topic before the motion starts. If your presentation relies on a perfectly timed dramatic reveal, this automated setting might cut into your talking points. Once those two options are toggled on, move your mouse up to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click the large preset button. Look at all the options and click on full screen from the options to preview mode of your presentations. As you navigate to this specific slide during your actual slideshow, your video will now start playing instantly on its own and loop seamlessly in the background without any manual intervention from your side. You can press the escape key on your keyboard to back out of this presentation view and return to your editing timeline if you need to adjust any other elements. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.